how to buy real estate with cash value whole life insurance. I'm Barry Brooksby, pro client guide and coach here at Insurance and Estates. Looking forward to showing you how to buy real estate using life insurance. The great thing about this is that you can make money in two places at the same time. And I'm going to show you here what I mean by that. But first, let's look at a high cash value whole life illustration. What you're seeing here is an illustration that's designed for maximum cash value growth. We minimize the death benefit and maximize the cash value. The annual premium is $50,000 and it has a $100,000 lump sum going into the policy for the first 4 years. And you can see that here. When the $150,000 goes in the first year, there's a total of $141,000 of first year cash value. You can borrow up to 95% of this 30 days after the policy's in force. And as time goes on, you see that cash value growing larger. In year 4, there's $615,000 in cash value. Starting year 5, the premium reduces to $50,000, and that runs through 55 and no more premium going in thereafter. So this policy is fully paid up in 15 years, and in the 16th year, you'll notice that the cash value still continues to grow even though there's no more premium going into the policy. So there's two ways we're going to look at this. Let's assume that this real estate investor wants to take a $100,000 loan in year 1 and use it as a down payment for a real estate property. Because he's sitting on $141,000 of cash value, the $100,000 loan will be easy to get. He simply makes the request to the insurance company. They do a direct deposit in his bank account within 3 to 7 business days. There's no application, there's no credit check, and the insurance company isn't questioning him what he needs the money for. He can use the money for anything. And he gets to pay back the loan however he wants. Current loan rates are 5%. So that would be scenario 1, where he's going to use $100,000 as a down payment for real estate. He'll get bank financing for the remaining portion of the purchase price. But now let's go to year 4, where there's $615,000 in the policy. Let's say that he wants to buy a property outright. He wants to use his high cash value whole life policy for 100% of the purchase price. And the purchase price on the real estate property is $500,000. Because he has $615,000 in the policy, he's easily able to get a $500,000 loan. He makes the request with the insurance company. They do a direct deposit in his bank account within 3 to 7 business days, and then he can choose to pay that loan back however he wants. As a 17-year real estate investor myself, I use a portion of the positive cash flow that I'm getting from my real estate income to make the payment back to my policy loan. Whatever amount he chooses to pay back, the insurance company is good with. And the reason is because he has a $3.1 million death benefit that's being used as collateral. So if he happened to pass away with a $500,000 outstanding loan, they would simply deduct the $500,000 from the $3.1 million to pay off the loan. His beneficiaries would get the remaining $2.6 million of tax-free death benefit. And by the way, this cash value is able to be used 100% tax-free. You heard that right. He's not only able to use this policy as his own bank today, he's also setting himself up for a tax-free stream of retirement income in the future. Using high cash value whole life insurance to buy real estate allows you to make money in two places. When he took the $100,000 loan against his $141,000 cash value, and in my second example of him taking a $500,000 loan against his $615,000 cash value in the 4th year, the insurance company didn't physically remove that money from his cash value. They put a lien against it. What that means is he's still earning interest and dividends on his total cash value even though he has a policy loan. So he's still making money in the policy and he's making money in the real estate deal. By using a high cash value whole life policy to buy real estate, you can make money in two places, which means you can grow more wealth along the way. You can grow more wealth throughout your life. There is no lost opportunity cost. We encourage our real estate investor clients to first funnel the money through the policy take policy loans to enhance their overall wealth creation. My experience as a real estate investor and expertise with high cash value whole life insurance, I would invite you to look at your own numbers. Click the link below to learn more so you can see how a high cash value whole life policy will work for you and your future real estate purchases.